All right, Benson Voss Math Stars. We have given y'all every step up to now so that y'all can actually write an equation from a word problem and solve it. So we're going to work through this one together as an example. Chloe and Dougie each have small businesses online selling homemade candles. Chloe charges $12 per candle. That word per should be telling you something. And an additional $4 to ship it. That happens one time. Dougie also charges $8 per candle. That per should mean something, but he charges an additional $16 to ship. If a customer wants to buy candles from both people, how many will they need to buy before the cost at both businesses is the same? Well, I know that's going to be equal sign here. And we're going to have Chloe's candles over here. Let me see if I can write a C. And Dougie's candles over here. But I'm going to come over here and I'm going to use Desmos as my scratch paper. So first of all, let's talk about Chloe. She charges $12 per candle. Whenever you have a per, that means you need a variable. Then an additional $4. And on the other side, Dougie charges $8 per candle, which means a variable, and then charges $16. All right. So this right here, 12x plus 4 equals 8x plus 16, is the equation that you need to work with. Okay. So I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to see if I can help you work it out. But I feel like I've run out of room. So I'm going to go to a blank page and I'm going to write 12x plus 4 equals 8x plus 16. Well, we don't have any distribution. We don't have to combine like terms over here or over here, but we do have a variable on the right side. So I'm going to put it in a box. That's a positive 8x. So I have to subtract 8x from each side. And I'm going to put it over here under this x value so I don't mix anything up. 12 minus 8 is a 4, and you bring down the x. You bring down the 4 plus 4. You bring down the equals, and you bring down the positive 16 because 8x minus 8x went away. Then I'm going to subtract 4 from each side. That's the opposite of that plus 4. Okay. I'm going to get 4x down here. Bring down my equal sign. 16 minus 4 is 12. And then we're going to divide by 4 on each side. Okay. And when I do that, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type in x equals 3. Then I'm going to come up here and see if I can make it all work in the calculator. So I've got 8x plus 16 that I'm going to put on the next line. Let me just 8x plus 16, and that gives me 40 on both of these, which means I solved correctly. And it would take 3 candles before each of those costs the same amount. All right.